something that we do by design is ensuring our infrastructure and our solutions are secure by design. But more importantly, we ensure that the controls we put in place are always in place. You know, one of the challenges that we see businesses out there, especially around ISO 27001 and some of the other regulatory requirements that most of these verticals have to align to, say FCA in FS, PCI in some instances, is they go around and doing exercise of putting in the controls for that particular audit. They lack the control and the mechanism and the processes to ensure that it stays in play for their next round of audit, in that they then go away and go off on a huddle to then ensure that those controls are back in play, ready for that audit to come on site to redo exactly what they did last year. And what we're finding, and we did a recent survey that Pulsant conducted, we found that 83% of the applicants within that research came back and basically said that the tools that we have doesn't exist or it's not fit for purpose. And 83% is a large number. So that just goes to show that, you know, and they were C-levels. These guys were about 200 off a large spread of different verticals. And those C-levels and those decision makers, to say that there is 83% of a gap in the tools that they use, that doesn't give them the answers that they need in the infrastructure compliance and somewhat application compliance, just goes to show that there's definitely a gap in that, you know, that we can definitely fill that void around the operational burden that these organizations, these businesses have to face. So what continuous compliance does and what it is set out to do is to reduce that manual overhead, that operational burden that these businesses face.